In this video of FreeCAD series, today we will talk about additive pipe or variable section sweep. In our last video, we saw how we can create sweep with constant section. If you want to see that video, then do check out the link that I have already added in the description of this video. Also, if you want to follow this entire series, then make sure you subscribe. Alright, so let's get started. Here you can see I already have started FreeCAD and I am in Design Workbench. Now let's click here on sketch and let's create our first sketch. And there we go. Now here my intent is to show you a kind of proof of concept or the methodology. That's why I'm not paying enough attention to constrain the object. Alright, so now let me again enable these datum planes and axis so that we can further plot another datum plane. And let's plot another datum plane which is offset to in Z direction. Yeah, let's make it 50. Now I'm gonna hit OK. Now let me select this newly created datum plane and now I can rotate it, let's say along X axis. Now let me again create one more datum plane, and this one will be simply at certain angle. Now let's create shape on this. For that I'm gonna select sketcher, and now probably I can form this shape. Alright, now let me again exit from this. Now I am taking or making another datum plane, and this one again will be at 10 more degrees, and then I can create parallel or offset datum plane to this. Alright, now let me create one more sketch in this newly created datum plane. Now here we can see we have got three different profile, and let's plot the trajectory now. For trajectory I can use this YZ. Now in order to get proper reference, what I can do here is I can use this create an external geometry tool, and I can select this. Similarly I can select this one. Alright, now I can click on close. So now we have reference selected. Let's plot our trajectory. Okay, so trajectory we have plotted. I'm gonna click on close, and let's also close all these datum planes. And now the thing got left is trajectory and variable sections. So here we have got three different sections and the trajectory. Now let me click on Additive Pipe, and there you go. Here you can see all our sketches are valid. And let's start with our first sketch, which is this one. Now let's click on OK. Now here let's click on path to sweep and select the path. Click on add edge, and there we go. Now here we need to click on multi-section. I'm gonna click on add section, and then I'm gonna select this section. Again I'm gonna click on add section, and then I'm going to select this section. Alright, so there seems some problem with first section. So what here we need to do is we need to go here in section orientation, and from here I can change it from standard to fix. And there you go. I think this is what we wanted. Now this is properly configured, and then here we have got further more option to customize it. So in this way guys, we can see here we have created a variable section sweep or added pipe where we have utilized a trajectory and then three profile that we have swept along this trajectory, and they are having different section, and I would say different number of vertex as well. So in this way guys, we can do additive pipe inside FreeCAD. I hope guys you find this video helpful and informational. Please do let us know what is your feedback regarding this particular tool and how you are planning to utilize in your real world product. Also make sure you subscribe to Engineering Pritham to follow us along in this entire FreeCAD journey, and I will see you soon in one such another video. Till then, you take care and bye bye.